welcome back to my channel. I'm Jess and today we are filming, or I am filming, or I'm showing you things I have got recently in my accumulative, when can I ever speak, accumulative haul. I love buying. I think this is going to be, I can't stop shopping number 3. I can't do that properly, my hands go weird. 3 or 4. I'll find it down below and then I'll link the other playlist in that series that I'm doing. But anyway, we're going to dive right in, grab a drink, grab a snack, grab your dog, grab your cat. It's going to be a long one. Things came out, I bought online, I went to Sports Girl. There's even eBay stuff, the skincare, a mix of everything. So we're going to dive right on into the most, well, I'm excited because I've never actually tried this brand before, and it's Sleek. Crush Cosmetics online have launched Sleek products. So I picked up the Bad Girl palette. Really pretty colours. I've only swatched, haven't really played, so can't wait to do like a video on that for you guys. And then, because this is why I like to buy products, because in my mind I justify it going, I'm going to have content. It's really just an excuse to buy makeup. But this is also the Arabian Nights palette. Really pretty colours in those. So I have used that one once. I also picked up the Pro Life, Life Proof Foundation. It's meant to be a full coverage foundation. If you guys want me to do like a weight test, first impressions, let me know in the comments below and I'll happily do that for you, because it's one of my favourite things to do, trying out new makeup. And then I also got a concealer by Sleek. I also picked up the eyebrow duo thing from Sleek. So one end's the little mascara thing and one end's the highlighter. So, and the last thing by Sleek that I got is the Bare Kissed Illuminator in Casablanca. I thought that was really, really pretty. Very pink, but very, very pretty. We'll see. Just quite a few things from Designer Brands by DB, including their new eye brush range. It's a limited edition thing, which I'll show you after I show you this stuff. You guys already know that I've done the first impression on the Velvet Matte foundation, which I love. I also have the Designer Brands eye primer. I have a BB lip balm by them, which looks really good. Also picked up from their old range a lipstick. And then I thought this actually looked kind of like a MAC product. And this is their Whipped Mineral Eye Base eye cream. So I thought that looked good. And then from their new range, I have picked up the Designer Brands by DB Unicorn Prism Highlighter, or Unicorn, just really, really pretty. Look how pretty that looks. So pretty, and the packaging is really cute. Also picked up from their new range the Blush Up Complexion palette, which I did use in my I Try Following Carli Bybel thingy. But really pretty colours. I'll link all the prices and where I've got them down below if I can. And last, well, out of the makeup item that I got from Designer Brands, look how pretty the packaging is. It's upside down. The Vivid Glow Illuminating Palette is so pretty. I can never open things. Here we are. Look at the shades. So pretty. Look how reflective they are. Purchased the Designer Brands new called? I do have the Daydreamer limited edition eye brush set. I always collect these. I've got the limited edition rose gold set, so now I've got this. They cost $30. You get 10 of them. Really, really pretty. I think I'm going to say really, really pretty a lot in this video. I'm sorry. Apparently it's my thing, but I'll show you a couple of the brushes. I will be doing a video on that as well in the future. I'm just throwing them around now. I'm going to group things in order, or kind of order of how many things I've got them, because like I've got a few of each or whatever, if that makes sense. So like designer brand, sleek, blah blah blah. Now I'm on to W7. I picked up online the W7 Delicious palette. Really, really pretty. Obviously you can tell I'm a bit of a makeup addict, slightly. Not necessarily good at makeup, but I like collecting it. And this was $10 on eBay. I also picked up their latest, I just got makeup all over it, the Prism 3D highlighter. I brought like 7 highlighters this month. How many highlighters does one place need? Really pretty as well. I'm also obsessed with makeup brushes. I got these from Kmart. They're on clearance for $5, and I think Ubi is like relatively, I think that's how you pronounce it, pack-free. I got for $5, as I said. I think they're normally about $18 a pack or $16 a pack, something like that. But I thought they looked cute. I'm a massive makeup brush collector. I don't need any more, but you know, I've got these ones from Miss Q on eBay. They look really, really nice. Now we are on to skincare. I'm also a massive skincare junkie. I told you this is going to be a long one. Hashtag sorry, not sorry, but anyway. Skincare, got from Kohl's, the L'Oreal Skin Toner. I picked this up for $5 as on clearance. I can't go past discounted makeup or skincare. It's kind of my problem. And then I've also got a couple of things from Aveeno, which I've never tried before. The moisturizer, and I've got the scrub there, which I'll show you in a minute. These were half price at Kohl's. And then this is what the hubby got me for Valentine's Day. I told you this was a cumulative. I'm obsessed with mud masks. You guys will see me on Snapchat, Instagram going, look at the latest mud mask I'm using. Anyway, picked up that. This is a repurchase. This one's a new one by Sukin. The Asano Rosehip Clay Mask. Can you see a theme with these masks? Yesterday I was at Target and I picked up this Immortal Ultimate Age Defying Triple Acid Peel for $15 on clearance. Apparently it's quite an expensive brand. I've used it before, but it's got like 3 different acids. I thought it'd be good. Meant to combat anti-aging, and features triple acid peel. Helps to counteract skin dullness caused by an active lifestyle. What kind of wording is that? But anyway, I'm excited to try that. I also have the Neutrogena. This is me, a certain Kohl's Deep Clean Purifying Cleanser Mask. It was $12, which I thought was quite good because it's a combo product. It's got kaolin. Looked interesting. I like the packaging. And then, this is the other thing from Aveeno that I got, the Positively Radiant Skin Brightening Daily Scrub. And then, last, from the skincare, I picked up yesterday from Target as well, the Biore Free Your Pores Triple Action Toner. It has witch hazel and salicylic acid. That was a tongue twister. and witch hazel in it, and it was $8. Told you this is going to be a long one. I picked up these from Kmart. These are all BYS products. Tanning mousse. You're like, Jess, you don't tan. I know, but I want to try it. This is all about the year of me trying to extend my repertoire, I suppose. And it was on clearance, $5. I think it's normally $12. So I thought I would try that. And then, not that I need any more brushes, obviously I picked up the new BYS unicorn brush set. This is a $10 brush set and they're unicorns. Look how pretty they are. So pretty. Have to have them. And then I'm obsessed with the Fantasy Lash mascara, and I picked up the BYS Max Volume waterproof mascara. And it's like now we're going on to the last stuff from Kmart. From Sports Girl, I picked up, I wasn't actually going to get it, and then I saw it in person and I'm like, I had to have it. Online it looks a little bit meh. So I picked up the Stars in Her Eyes palette, and does this not remind you of Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette? Look at it, so pretty, $30. A little bit pricey, but worth every penny in my opinion. They are stunning. At the tail end of the haul, guys. Almost, I think. Ah. Anyway. A friend of mine on Instagram, she got me to get these, or enabled me. Basically, the Fifth Avenue highlighters. These are stunning. Super duper pretty. I'll swatch these for you. That's the Rose Glow one. This one is the Warm Glow. They are $7 each from Kmart. And then on clearance, I picked up, I got hair in my mouth. I picked up a couple of packs of lashes because I am going to be trying lashes. It's just I suck really bad at lashes, and these were on clearance for $2. And then Australis had lipsticks on special or clearance, and I picked up that for $5. And then, last but not least, I picked up a new foundation. Well, it's not new, it's old from e.l.f., but it's new for me to try. Foundation palette. This was only $4. That's why I love makeup from Kmart, because often it's on clearance. And I love it. So if you guys have made it to this part of the video, thank you so much. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to thumbs it up, subscribe to a small YouTuber, because that's what I am. And I'll see you guys in the next video soon. Let me know if you want a particular video. And yeah, I'm gonna go.